Why are these songs inspired by Abdu'l-Bahá? Have you ever come across words that seemed to speak directly to your heart? Words that reminded you to be kinder, to love more deeply, to face suffering with hope, or to see every person as part of one human family. That is what I found in the talks and writings of Abdu'l-Bahá. If you've been listening to the music on this channel, you may have noticed recurring themes: love, hope, compassion, service, the soul, unity, and finding light in life's most difficult moments. These songs are not direct musical settings of his writings, rather they are original reflections inspired by the timeless spiritual principles he shared. So, who was Abdu'l-Bahá? He was the eldest son of Baha'u'llah, the founder of the Bahá'í Faith, and devoted his entire life to serving humanity. For many years he lived through exile and imprisonment. Yet everyone who met him spoke of his extraordinary kindness, humility, generosity, and joy. He welcomed people of every race, nationality, religion, and social background with the same warmth and dignity. He taught that humanity is one family, that science and religion should work together, that women and men are equal, that prejudice must give way to understanding, that true religion should unite hearts rather than divide them, and that every human being possesses a noble soul capable of reflecting qualities such as love, justice, compassion, patience, and truthfulness. More than a century has passed since he shared these teachings, yet they continue to inspire people around the world because they speak to questions that remain deeply human. How do we find meaning in suffering? What gives life purpose? How can we become better people? How can we build a more peaceful world? These are the questions that inspire the music you will hear on this channel. My hope is not simply that you enjoy the songs, but that they encourage moments of reflection, hope, and genuine conversation. Whether you come from a religious background, another faith tradition, or no faith at all, you are warmly welcome here. If a lyric moves you, I encourage you to go one step further. Read the original talks and writings of Abdu'l-Bahá for yourself. There is a depth and beauty in his own words that no song can fully capture. The music on this channel is simply an invitation, a doorway to explore timeless spiritual wisdom that continues to inspire millions of people around the world. Thank you for being here. May these songs bring peace to your heart, light to your path, and hope for the journey ahead. Welcome to A Path for the Soul.